Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jela Konrad Konggel Sangma habaya keren bat gila patai kubor ha khat waitrik ubanai kela lingkot arajar arpulai ula penpau ya kejing snolem ha kabaya dei bat kejing jiaplo ying kabala jia menhinin kamit ha kathan mauba oper mauprem ha kaba ha gani kejing jia la donru kejing do ya ki mensem breu jong ki arngul ki khna ki badangrit Bat hagani ka sngi na kalyang jong sangma ula kubur bahalor gani ka jingjia na kalyang jong ka sorkar kan kneri ki lat jingyaram shiki lanot ki balamat ka jingjia ka basngosi.
Yeah, the Honorable MLA has already approached me and he has informed the Deputy Commissioner also. So definitely from my side, I'll be definitely looking into the entire thing and as per the procedure and as per the norms that are there, we will definitely be providing whatever is possible to the families. It's a very tragic incident where in fact two were children who have died, and therefore it's a very deep loss for them. So definitely the government will support in whatever way possible. No, we have not received any kind of confirmation or any confirmed information on this aspect. So we have heard this from some areas, but there's no confirmed report yet. No, I have nothing to say. These people, they have their own points, their own way of making issues, and I guess they want to play politics of negativity. But I have never played a politics of negativity, and I've always believed in positive side of politics. And no matter how much instigation there is there or negativity that is there, I have never responded in a negative manner. So when I haven't done it in the last 5 years, why should I do it now? So I don't intend to say anything. It's their stand, their wish. They can say. I continue to do my work and work committedly for the people of the state.
Shishu habakalipat sa phang kejing Khang yu Dewïong na kalyang jong sangma ulaong baka sorkar ka bamenchwa ka kelen badai ka Jingleh jongka ka bala Pynlong ye ka jing sha Khang jong Dewïong namarla da kertiang din biang shausnam arjar khatsau ha ka por bo Dr. Mukul sangma udang long ku menteri rangba ha ka to ko por amla bantip ule ayu badai kini ka sorkar ka bamenta ka bahap ban pha ye ka jing tho sa ka ying bishar Supreme Court ban pendam no ye ka jing Khang yu Dewïong ban hadin ke jing menjor ban sange Khang yu Dewïong la apply ru ya ki khat pratli ki license ban la pharu ke jing thmu kumno ban ti yu Dewïong ha ka rukom ka badai bat kermen ye ka babaha hagni ka sniu la kan tharu ye ka liang persha ka bamsim la kren sai halor ki jing shisha ka bagi pajba ki don kam ban tim halor ka jing Khang yu Dewïong bat dai ni ka sarkar ka bamenta ka bapelaj ban yo ti no ya Dewïong.
They have already filed with the court case also, and court has rejected them. I think they're forgetting that it was during that time that they closed the mining. So, back in 2014, when Dr. Mukul was the chief minister, that's when the mining was closed. So, we don't know what he did for 5 years after that when that mining was closed. But it is this government that finally appealed in the Supreme Court, and we got the ban lifted. And after the ban has been lifted, we have applied for 18 licenses for in terms of the prospecting license has been given, and now the mining plans of them are being submitted, and we hope that it will move forward. So again, the opposition is not speaking with facts and figures. They are making statements. As I said, they are forgetting that it was during their time that the ban on the coal was done, and they did the ban on the coal, but it was this government that finally lifted the ban through Supreme Court ruling, and now the scientific mining process and the appeal and the applications for the mining plan to be approved are already at very advanced stage with the central government.